Hello and welcome to our video tutorial about Expresswash laundry system equipment and operation procedure. First equipment is the printer. Our next equipment is the POS unit. Our third equipment is the fingerprint scanner. Our fourth equipment is the modem white device. Now let's start on how to use our laundry system. First, on our POS desktop screen, you will have to double-click on the LOS icon. And after that, the welcome screen will pop up and then you need to scan your fingerprint. This is the correct process for timing in and timing out for employees. First, click the clock icon. Select the correct shift. Click the first shift for AM shift. Select second for the PM shift. And lastly, select third for our GY shift or graveyard shift. Remember, first is AM shift, second is PM shift, and third is GY shift. Once the shift is selected, you may now scan your fingerprint to time in and time out. Make sure the confirmation message that popped up after the fingerprint scan is "Thank you, not try again." Try the fingerprint again to ensure that a thank you message pops up for a successful time in and time out. This is the process on how to start a shift. Firstly, you need to click the padlock icon. Next, scan your fingerprint. After that, select a shift. Always remember to select the correct shift. First shift is graveyard shift, the second shift is AM shift, and the third shift is PM shift. After selecting the correct shift, you may now scan your fingerprint. Thank you for your time. We hope you have learned from this video.